guys, it's Dan with Log&Timber Worx. We're here at beautiful Lake Anna today, and we're starting the first day on this wonderful log home project here at the lake. This is a log home customer that's been waiting about 9 months on our schedule, and we're here today to start the process. We're going to start with a nice bath. We're going to give this log home a nice soft wash. We use soaps and detergents that are professionally designed to clean wood. We don't use high pressure on these log homes. Typically what we do is we're going to wash today, we're going to clean out their gutters today, and we're probably going to start to treat some carpenter bee damage. This house has an abundance of carpenter bee activity. So once the logs are dry and we're less than 18% moisture content, we're going to come back to the lake and we're going to start to stain this log home. We're going to caulk it. We're going to stain it with Sickens. This is Sickens log and siding that's on this log home now. So we're going to stick with that family of stain products since it's already on the home and they've gotten good longevity. They're pretty happy with that product so far. So we're going to apply 2 coats here by hand, back brushing. We're going to get this thing nice and shiny for the upcoming summer season. So if you have any questions about your log home, or if you're considering purchasing a log home, we'd love to help in the process any way possible. And of course, we'd love to be your preferred partner for all of your log home restoration needs. So you can give us a call at 844-STAINER, or you can visit us at www.logandtimberworks.com, or here at the lake at lakeannaloghomes.com. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.